Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Ethan. Hello, everyone. Great to see you.
We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, today we have a very important and very useful topic.
But first, please subscribe to our channel.
Click the subscribe button right now. It really helps us a lot.
And don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much.
Okay, Olivia, tell me, what is our topic today?
Today we talk about tell me about yourself.
Oh, a very important question.
Yes, people ask this question all the time.
At school, at a new job, when you meet new people.
Exactly. And sometimes we don't know what to say.
Right, we feel nervous. We don't know where to start.
So today, we make it very easy. Simple sentences. Easy words.
Perfect for beginners. Let's go.
Okay, Ethan, let's practice together. I will ask you questions. You answer. Ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let's do this.
Great. First question. What is your name?
My name is Ethan.
Perfect. Now listen, everyone. When someone asks, what is your name? Don't just say Ethan, say the full sentence. My name is Ethan. This is more polite, more natural. My name is Ethan. Say it with me.
My name is Ethan. Easy, right? Now, what is your name? Go to the comments, write, my name is, and then your name. We love to read your comments.
Yes, we love to read your names.
Okay, next question. Olivia, where are you from?
I am from the United States.
Great, and I am from Australia.
Now, everyone listen. The sentence is very easy. I am from the United States. I am from Australia. You say, I am from, and then your country. For example, I am from India. I am from Bangladesh. I am from Canada. Very simple.
I am from Australia. This is so easy. Just say your country after I am from. That's it.
Where are you from? Tell us in the comments.
Next, how old are you, Olivia?
I am 24 years old. How old are you, Ethan?
I am 26 years old.
Now, listen to this sentence. I am 24 years old. Don't just say 24. Say the full sentence. I am 24 years old. This sounds much more natural and complete.
But remember, you don't have to say your age. If you don't want to, it's okay. Just skip it. Move to the next sentence.
That's right. Now, a big question. What do you do, Ethan?
I am an English teacher. I teach English.
And I am a student. I study about business.
Now, the sentences are very simple. I am an English teacher. I am a student. You say, I am a, and then your job. I am a doctor. I am a chef. I am a nurse. Easy.
What is your job? Or what do you study? Tell us in the comments.
We really want to know.
Okay, now let's talk about family.
Oh, good topic. Olivia, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older brother. His name is James. He is 27 years old.
Nice. I have one younger sister. Her name is Mia. She is a student. She studies music and plays the piano.
Beautiful. Now everyone, listen to these sentences. I have one older brother. I have one younger sister. These are very useful. You can change the number too. I have two brothers. I have three sisters. Very easy.
You can also talk about your parents. My mother is a teacher. My father is a doctor. Simple sentences.
My mother is a nurse. My father is an engineer. Just say, my mother is a, and my father is a, and then the job. That is it.
Okay, now let's talk about hobbies, things we do for fun.
Ethan, what are your hobbies?
I love to play guitar. Music is my passion. I play almost every day. It makes me very happy.
Wow, and my hobby is cooking. I love to cook new foods.
Now, everyone, listen. There are two easy ways to talk about your hobby. Way number one, my hobby is cooking. My hobby is cooking. Way number two, I love to play guitar. I love to play guitar. Both are correct. Both sound very natural.
You can say, my hobby is reading, or I love to watch movies, or I love to play football. Just use what is true for you.
What is your hobby? Tell us in the comments.
Okay, now, let's talk about likes and dislikes. This is very important.
Yes, it shows your personality. People learn who you are.
Ethan, what do you like?
I like sunny days. I love warm weather. I am from Australia. Sunshine makes me very happy.
Nice. And what do you not like?
I don't like cold weather. Cold mornings are very hard for me.
I understand. I like quiet mornings with a hot coffee, but I don't like to wake up very early.
Same, haha. Early mornings are not easy.
Now everyone, listen. The sentences are very simple. I like sunny days. I don't like cold weather. Just two patterns. I like and I don't like. Use these two sentences and you can talk about anything.
I like pizza. I don't like olives. I like music. I don't like loud noise. So many options. Very easy. Okay, now let's put it all together. This is the most important part.
Great idea. Ethan, you go first.
Okay, here I go. Hello, my name is Ethan. I am from Australia. I am 26 years old. I am an English teacher. I have one younger sister named Mia. My hobby is playing guitar. I like sunny days. I don't like cold weather.
Perfect. Clear, friendly, and very natural.
Now your turn, Olivia.
Okay. Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm from the United States. I'm 24 years old. I'm a student. I study business. I have one older brother named James. My hobby is cooking. I like quiet mornings, but I don't like to wake up early.
Wonderful. See? It is not difficult at all.
Not difficult. Short sentences, easy words. Anyone can do this.
You don't need long sentences.
Short and clear is always the best.
Okay, one important tip before we go.
Oh yes, tell us, Ethan.
You don't need to say everything. Choose what is right for the situation. At school, say your name and why you learn English. At work, say your name and your job. At a party, say your name and your hobby.
It depends on where you are. Keep it short. Keep it simple. Keep it natural.
And always, smile.
Yes, a smile makes everything better.
Okay, so today we learned
Name, where you're from, age, job, family, hobbies, likes and dislikes.
a perfect answer for tell me about yourself.
Now, it is your turn. Go to the comments below.
Write tell me about yourself in 2 or 3 sentences.
We read every single comment. We love to learn about you.
If this video helped you, please give it a like.
Subscribe to our channel for more easy English videos.
Share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Together, we can all improve.
Thank you so much for watching today.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.